Welcome to a new Dave's Classic Garage Tours video, and it's Kyle Army Day at Maranello Pur. This particular car has been in the shop for the best part of a year, awaiting parts. The end is in sight. It came in with a long list of work to do from the owner, and making it roadworthy has conjured up another list. What's happening here, Raz? What are you going to be doing?
We're going to get the aircon going, and we're just having a bit of dramas finding the belt sizes.
Right. Okay.
It's particular, it's an unusual size.
Right. Sourcing them, you mean?
Correct.
Yeah. First order of the day for Maserati and new belts for the aircon. Did you fix many of these back in the day? Yeah. John?
Well, they weren't that popular at the time in the sense that they sold the cars, but they didn't keep enough spare parts.
Right.
So it was a bit hard to
Probably feeling the same
to
experience.
service it, and nobody got to the stage where they thought the spare part was important.
Right, right. Beautiful looking cars myself. What did you think when they all went square and whatever? They had Italian design.
They lost the charm.
Really? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, well, sort of.
But what about now? I mean, do you appreciate them now?
Well, a lot of people do, yes.
You're still to be convinced.
Well, I still like the Pininfarina style of design.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. That's not just drop that, is it?
Pardon?
That's not just drop that on the floor.
No, that's water.
Yeah, but it's not from this.
No.
No.
Not at all, no.
I was going to say that was quick.
Oh, Dave, please.
somebody
No, Dave, no.
What's the general condition underneath here?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good, man.
Oh, right, yeah. Put my glasses up, David, and you can see. Oh, yeah. So yeah, you were underneath this the other day, Raz. What were you doing?
We've got to get the car ready for roadworthy.
Yeah.
And, well, it's got copper brake lines on it, which is unroadworthy, not allowed in Australia, so we just made some metal ones up. See, that looks like copper, but it's not copper, and we put
Right.
metal ones.
Metal, right? Cool. Okay.
So, see here, see that? And then,
Oh yeah. So, okay. I get to it. It should free up some space when this finally gets out the door then, Bruno.
Yes, every time we look at it, we find something new.
You're right. So it's got to be gassed after this, is it?
yeah, make sure the aircon's working.
Do you... Is that a thing with this particular, or is that Maseratis in particular? You have to go underneath. They're doing belts, and
It's just easier.
is he? Yeah.
It's just easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just easier.
With both belts done, the shop has its own regassing equipment that Bruno will do later on. But for now, it's next day, and it's on to the next job on the list. More issues. More issues. Tell me what are you hearing?
Tappets are very noisy.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh. Before you put the push.
You're gonna do what?
Adjust the timing chain. It's just nice and firm and let it go.
So, leather.
Not too much.
This is the touring. Was the dash was the same? Yeah, all you have to do is sort of change the glove box.
Is it a good engine to work on generally?
Yes,
Yeah.
sort of.
It's like all engine, you need patience.
Absolutely.
There's some more than others, but I'm okay if I'm looking from here or I need to be closer.
If you're going to learn, you need to go closer.
Look, this is one of the engine I never understand.
What's wrong?
But it speaks Italian.
You guys speak Italian. These engines speak too much Italian.
Speak too much.
This is a simple one.
It's a long-lasting one. Was it early 60s, this one? Early development of this one.
There we go.
Get the other side on, yeah.
Washers is done.
Happy? No? Yeah? No?
It's a bit better. Mr. Tappets done.
Still the tappets, eh?
That's the next major job.
Another day.
Get it registered and passed and drive it first.
Right. It won't be running rich to get past the tests and whatever at roadworthy.
This model doesn't have to go through pollution.
Oh, of course. Right. Oh, okay.
It's after 89, 88 or 89, you've got to do a exhaust emission test. And these early ones. Why don't I put it up here?
What's that up there?
Fuel filter.
Yeah, she's bouncing around up there.
Shouldn't have one there. Should be down the back.
Oh, really? The filter? Oh. So when that
All that does is add to vaporisation. It gets that hot under here on a really hot day.
Yeah.
And it just exposes it to more heat.
Right, right. So that's a modification. Why would they make that modification?
Someone probably thought it was a good idea. Put
Right.
an extra filter on.
Yeah, right. Okay. If you love this video, you're going to absolutely love this one. So click on the screen and watch that. And I'll see you in the next video.